Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use multiple wallpapers on Android. Here's a step guide to use multiple wallpapers on Android with the Wallpapers by Google app. First, unlock your mobile phone and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Then open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. In the search bar, type Wallpapers by Google. Tap on the app result and then tap Install. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Wallpapers app. The app will ask for storage and wallpaper permissions. If there's any, tap Allow. On the main screen, you'll see categories like landscapes, textures, life, earth, seascapes, etc. Tap a category that interests you, for example, landscapes. Scroll through the wallpapers, and at the top, you'll see an option for daily wallpaper. Tap Daily Wallpaper to enable automatically changing wallpapers from that category. A pop-up will ask if you want wallpapers to change daily. Just tap Continue or OK. You may also need to grant permissions for the app to change your wallpaper, and if there's any, a pop-up, tap on Allow. And if there's an option, choose whether you want the wallpapers applied to home screen or home and lock screen. The app will now automatically set a new wallpaper each day, or whenever you refresh it manually by tapping Refresh in the Daily Wallpaper section. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.